Hey, what's up, user? Welcome to this video. Today we are tackling a big question. Can you read encrypted WhatsApp messages? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. You have seen this message before. Messages are end-to-end encrypted. But what does it really mean? And is there any way to read encrypted messages? Let's find out. Alright, let's break it down in simple terms. End-to-end encryption means that only the sender and the receiver can read the message. Not WhatsApp, not hacker, not even me. It's like putting your message in secret vault and only the receiver has the key. Okay, so here's the million-dollar question. Can you read someone's encrypted message? Well, the short answer is no. Because the encryption is designed to protect privacy, there is no official way to read encrypted messages without access to the sender's phone. But wait, what if you accidentally deleted your own encrypted message? Don't worry, I got you covered. If you deleted an encrypted message but need it back, here's the simple trick. Open WhatsApp settings, go to chats. You will see chat backup. Tap chat backup. If a recent backup exists, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. Restore your chat during the setup. And boom, your deleted encrypted messages are back. But remember, this only works if you had backup enabled beforehand. Since encryption is all about security, let's make sure your message stays safe and private. Turn on two-step verification for extra protection. Never share your WhatsApp verification code, not even with WhatsApp support scammer. Use a strong phone lock. Physical access is the only way someone could read your encrypted message. Follow these steps and your message will stay locked up tighter than a bank vault. And that's the truth about reading encrypted WhatsApp messages. You can't spy on others, but you can recover your own chat and keep them secure. If you found this helpful, hit like button, subscribe for more awesome hacks, and thank you for watching.